Factoring trinomials. Learning objectives. Factor trinomial whose leading coefficient is 1. Factor using a substitution. Factor trinomial whose leading coefficient is not 1. Factor trinomial by grouping. Let's take a look at the first example. Factor x squared plus 7x plus 10. So since this, how many terms here, the total number of terms? We have 3 terms. Therefore, we do factor by what? Trinomial, okay? First of all, do we have greatest common factor here? Do we have a number that is we can factor? Do we have variable that we can factor? The answer is no, we don't have anything. Therefore, we go directly to trinomial factoring. X squared, we can divide x squared to be x times what? X. 10 can be 10 times 1 or 2 times 5. So which one will give you the sum? 7. Two plus 5, correct? So therefore we use 2 times 5. So with 2 here, 5 here. And then we need to have plus 7. So we do the happy face. This gives you 2x and this gives you 5x. Is there total 7x? Yes. To get positive 7x, this has to be positive, this has to be positive. Therefore, all of them has to be positive. And make sure that when you multiply the last 2 terms, it give you a positive 10. Easy? Okay, you try to do F. Okay? Try to do F. But remember, make sure that you look at the greatest common factor first. What is the greatest common factor here? What is the common number? 5, correct. So now you have to divide all of them by 5. So you're going to get what? X squared minus 2x minus 8. Now, how many terms do you have here? How many terms?
3.
3 terms. So you factor trinomial. So here you're gonna do 2 parentheses. Okay. X to x. 8 can be what? 8 times 1 or 2 times 4. You want the sum to be how much? You need the sum to be how much? -2, correct?
Yes.
Which one will give you -2? Is it 8 times 1 or 2 times 4? 2 times 4, right? So if you add this together, it gives you -2. So you're going to put 2 here, -4 here. Now, what should we do now? We have to do the happy face, correct? So to do the happy face, you're going to get 2x minus 4x. So what is their total? Minus 2x. Do you have minus 2x here and you have 2 minus 2x here? Yes. If you multiply the last 2 terms, would you get the same thing? Last 2 terms, this one and this one. Would you get -8? True. So that's the correct answer. Okay. Try to do E now, okay? You try to do E now. Pause the video and try to do E.